Hi, I'm Todd from Side Arts, and this is Maximum Good. Today on Maximum Good, we're going to be talking about self-visualization. And all self-visualization is thinking about, in advance, what the most positive outcome can be before starting any new activity. It's thinking about, wow, what's it going to be like when I finish this? What's going to make it feel good, and what is realistic? And there's a whole different range of ways that this can be done, and the simplest is just before starting anything new, any new work of art, any new job, just starting the beginning of your day, what will the end of this look like for you that will make you feel good? An easy way to do this is simply just to close your eyes for 2 minutes and think about how that will feel. One of the reasons why this is important to do is that a lot of times, and actually most times, there are obstacles that we're going to have to confront. And it's very easy to give up when starting something brand new. And it's easy to give up sometimes when you've been doing something over and over again too. So thinking in advance and having a positive mindset going into it about what the final outcome is going to be is very beneficial, and it's something that's been proven that if you think about the positive outcome over and over before starting any new activity, the more likely that those obstacles will seem lessened over time. And there's a lot of different ways of doing it. Closing your eyes and thinking about it positively is one of the easiest because it doesn't cost you anything. There are other ways that you can go about it as well, taking some time to think in advance. One of those is creating an image. It could be a vision board of some sort. You could have cutouts, you could have drawings. It could be just something that you paint or draw or create along the way that's put somewhere in your home that you can think about and look at every once in a while. Another thing is to write yourself daily affirmations. It could be the same thing every day over and over again. You could simply write yourself a note and put it on the fridge that says, "Today I'm going to have a good day." Just the act of writing that note will help you along the way. Another thing is to determine your goals. What are the goals? What do you really want to achieve by the time this new activity is done? Are you just trying to get through that particular day, or do you want to try to move the needle a little bit further? And what does that look like? What's the best possible scenario for doing so? So, through Maximum Good, I'm going to be presenting a whole range of exercises. Some are going to be new for you, some of them will be old hat. But no matter what I want you to think about is self-visualizing before you start any one of them. Give them a shot. Think positively that they are going to have good outcomes for you. Think positively that you're going to have a good day today. My name is Todd, I'm from Side Arts, and this is Maximum Good. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow along with the series at sidearts.com/blog.